Hi, I'm Jenné from Sweet Potato Soul, a food blog and YouTube channel dedicated to all things vegan living and food. I'm actually a vegan chef, so most of what I share is food, but there's also a lot of good tips and advice about living better, adopting a plant-based diet, and just being the best version of yourself. So, in my last video that I actually posted to my channel, which if you're watching this, make sure you watch that one first. We're gonna head upstairs and we're gonna check out, first of all, the kitchen stuff that they have. I went on a great shopping spree at JCPenney where I got all of the things that I wanted to help me reach my 2020 wellness goals. So, since food is my main thing, my wellness journey is always about food. It always starts in the kitchen. It always revolves around what I put into my body. So I got a lot of goodies that are food focused, that are really gonna help me in the kitchen, help me make my life a lot easier. And I am going to show you everything I got. So this is my JCPenney Food Wellness 2020 haul. So I'm a new mom. I have a new baby girl who's about 12 months now. So I'm new, but it's not that new. But even though she's a year old, it's still challenging for me to cook for myself and just be really prepared with what I put into my body. So my biggest goal for 2020 is to just really stick to my meal planning. That will allow me to, of course, spend a little bit less time in the kitchen, but also it'll help me not eat out as much, also to just eat healthier, and when I open my refrigerator, be a lot happier and less stressed out because I'll open my fridge and I'll have all these amazing things already prepared. So the first thing I wanted to show you that I got at JCPenney for my meal planning goals, they're called Pyrex Fresh Lock, but they are glass food storage containers. Food storage containers are so important. Despite meal prepping and thinking it's so important, I don't have like the best containers. So this is definitely an upgrade for me. This comes with 5 different pieces. So the largest is a 6 cup and the smallest is a 1 cup. The small ones are really great because I like to use smaller containers just for snacks that I take out of the house with me. When I'm going anywhere, no matter where it is, I always take a snack. And that can be something as little as just some nuts, or it can be something more like a baked sweet potato. I like that these are super high quality and that they're all glass. Pyrex is a brand that I love and I trust, so I'm pretty confident that these are gonna make my life easier in 2020. So off of the food thing for a second, I also got a sharper image salt crystal lamp. It's a Himalayan salt crystal lamp. I got this because I take baths a few times a week, and another one of my wellness goals for 2020 is to take more baths. In 2019, I would say I would like promise myself I'm going to take a bath like once a week or every couple days, and that would not happen. But in 2020 so far, I've been on a really good run with taking baths about every other day. The reason I like to take a bath is because it's super relaxing. It's free. I just get in the bath. I don't have to like go to a spa or do anything like that. And because it just allows me a little time to myself. I take my baths after my daughter's already asleep and in bed. So it just gives me a nice time to myself to unwind and just be incredibly relaxed. And it's like, you know, multitasking. I'm being relaxed, but I'm also getting myself clean, which is important as a new mom. I mean, apparently Himalayan salt crystal lamps are really good for filtering air. They're like antimicrobial, and it may potentially help neutralize harmful ions in the environment. I go to this great Korean spa here in Los Angeles, and one of the rooms that I like the most is the Himalayan salt room. It is so luxurious. So this is my version of that at home. So back to cooking, one of my other wellness goals for this year is to use a little less oil. I'm not gonna give up oil completely, but I'm not gonna use as much. So I picked up the Green Pan. I know this company well. I've never used them, but I know of it. And apparently these non-stick pans are safer. That's why they're called the Green Pan. They're healthy ceramic. They're coated in ceramic. So they're not Teflon or anything like that. And when you use a non-stick pot or pan like this, you don't have to use oil, or you could use less. So that's what I'm going for with this. It looks pretty also. Turquoise happens to be my favorite color, so perfect. Another thing about non-stick, silicone baking mats. I love these. I actually have a few of these in my kitchen already, but they are so old. Old as dirt. So I got a refresher. These are really great because they eliminate the need to use aluminum foil, which sucks, by the way, for baking because everything just sticks to it, or parchment paper, which I do love, but it's kind of wasteful. Use one of these things and you can use it for many, many, many years. It's just silicone. Just put it down on your baking sheet, which I got a new baking sheet also, by the way. So this goes right on there, and you can make your roasted sweet potatoes, roasted vegetables, cookies, whatever else you want to bake in the oven. And yeah, it's great. I love it. One thing that I have no problem doing in my life is eating a lot of salads. I eat a salad at least once a day. It's really easy for me. But I wanted to give myself the gift of some nicer mixing bowls because I actually tend to make my salad in a mixing bowl and then eat it out of that same mixing bowl. This is a nesting set, and they all come with lids, which is really, really nice because any leftovers that you have, you can just put the lid on and store it right in there. I like reusable things like that. I don't like to use a lot of plastic wrap or aluminum foil or any other thing to cover the, food, anything disposable. So these are gonna be great for my salads, but also for storing my food. The next thing is a big thing. I got an air fryer. I've had air fryers before, I will admit, but this one looks extra cool. So, Ninja air fryer. I think it's new, I don't know, but it looks really good. In the store, it looked really nice on the shelf. So I love air fryers because you don't have to use any oil, or you can use like a smidgen of oil to fry stuff. It's really great. I've made like sweet potato fries in here. I make these really amazing vegan crab cakes. I've made them in here. Like I said, in 2020, I'm trying to use less oil. Also, I'm sure you watched my first video of this series over on my channel, but in case you didn't, I mentioned that my mom just bought herself an air fryer for Christmas, and she's been talking to me about it so much. So I've wanted to try it out again. Yeah. And the very last thing that I bought at JCPenney is a blender. This is a NutriBullet Pro. I actually bought this also for my grandmother last year for Christmas because she has a smoothie every morning. And we really like this one because it's small. It's like a personal size blender basically. And it's really powerful as well. You can put everything you need in the top. You flip it upside down, put it on the base, blend it up, and you can drink it right out of that container, which is really nice. I actually have a huge blender that I use very infrequently because I don't often have enough to put in it to make it worthwhile even turning on. So this little one is really nice. This is something I can use on a regular basis. I can use it when I make my sauces, when I do my meal prep every week. Meal prep, that's goals 2020. It's just really helpful to just make a little personal size smoothie or sauce or whatever and not have to take out the big guy, So I love it. My grandmother already has it, so I've used hers, so I know that it's a good one. Okay, so I have my receipt here. The deals that I got are crazy, so I just want to highlight them by mentioning what the listed price was, the regular price was, and what I spent at JCPenney. So, oh my God, this is incredible. So we started with the Fresh Lock. These Pyrex Fresh Lock containers were full price $60, but, it's heavy. I got them for $36. Okay. This little fancy salt lamp here was originally $70, but I got it for $42, y'all. Yes! I didn't realize that JCPenney had such amazing deals. Let me just put that out there. I'm very impressed. frying pan. These green pans were originally $60 and I got them for $36. Silicone baking mats tend to be pretty expensive. This one was originally $27. However, I got it for $10.80. Good deal. Very good deal. This baking sheet was originally $27 and I got it for $16.20. 3 bowls, originally $60. I got them for $36. That air fryer was originally $169, but I got it for $132. This NutriBullet Pro was $129, but I got it half off. Half off. $64.50. Okay, that's a deal. So that is my JCPenney wellness haul for 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you get some ideas about what you can buy at JCPenney. I'm telling you, the prices are incredible. I did not know that I was gonna get such amazing deals, but I did, and I'm very happy. Got good deals, and I got good stuff. And hopefully, no, not hopefully, I know this is gonna help me with my 2020 wellness goals. I will say the thing I'm most excited about using is definitely my new, ooh, heavy, definitely this Himalayan salt crystal lamp. I might turn that on right now. But yeah, everything else is super great too. I can't wait to use it all. So thanks for watching. Make sure you go back to my channel, Sweet Potato Soul, and watch part 1 if you haven't already to see me in the store shopping for all of these items. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button. I post new videos every week, so you don't want to miss any of them, right? I post lots of cooking videos and vegan advice and all sorts of good stuff. So make sure you follow me there. All right, I'll see you over on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.